newly reissued from Tamiya. It is the Toyota Celsior 124 scale full detail kit. Just got released here in the month of December and was initially released in 1990. And it is today's What's in the Box. Taking a look now at the body. It's a multi-piece body molded in a dark shade of green. Getting started with parts tree A, which is the chassis and interior parts tree. Getting started with the chassis, you can see most of the underside detail is separate except for the little part of the drive shaft. Take a look at the interior tub. Here we have the hood, which is one option. And interior pieces, the door handle piece. Then we have the front seat, steering wheel, dash, and side view mirrors. Taking a look now at the roundy rounds, which are going to be a set of Bridgestones. Taking a look now at parts tree B, which is the engine and suspension parts tree. So again, starting up in this corner, we have the engine halves, intake, radiator, rear axle, wipers. Over here we have the rear suspension subframe, valve covers, radiator fan, steering column. And we have the exhaust, one piece, brake rotors, struts, pulleys, front suspension subframe, splash pan, more suspension pieces, and the wheels. Taking a look at parts tree C, which is going to be the chrome parts tree. So you have the grille, the license plate frame, and the mirror faces. Taking a look now at parts tree D, which is the clear parts tree. Taking a look at the window unit, one piece. And here we have the second option of the hood, which is clear. Headlight lenses, indicator, bumper indicator lenses, and taillight lenses. Taking a look now at the window mask and decal sheets. First, the window mask. You have front, rear, and side windows. And the decal sheet and metal transfers. Metal transfers, you have the badging and emblems, like one for the front and rear, and one for each wheel. Taking a look at the instruction book. And yes, if you want to get yourself some Toyota Celsior color match paint, I think James from Scalefinishes should be able to get some mixed up for you. So on that note, thank you for watching.